students, I am your educator Ritu. In this video, we will learn about facilitated diffusion. So let's get started with its definition. Facilitated diffusion is a type of diffusion in which molecules move from region of high concentration to low concentration by the use of some special proteins. As you can see in this diagram, this is the structure of a cell. This is outside of cell. This is inside of cell. These are the molecules which have to be transported from outside to inside. Outside concentration is high, inside concentration is low. So there is movement of molecules from outside to inside with the help of special proteins. These are the special proteins. You can say that transport proteins, because with the help of these molecules are translocated from outside to inside. In facilitated diffusion, as the movement is from high concentration to low concentration, so no energy is used, that means no ATP is used. It is a passive type of transport. Now, as I told you that special proteins are present, so these special proteins are of two types, that is protein channel or carrier protein. We will discuss both these protein channel or carrier protein one by one. So first we will discuss about carrier protein. Carrier protein is an integral glycoprotein which bind with the solute and undergo conformational change to translocate the solute across the membrane. This is the membrane, bilipid membrane. This is outside, this is inside. And these are the molecules which have to be transported from outside to inside. Outside concentration is high, inside concentration is low. Now, as we have discussed this, in facilitated transport, some carrier proteins, some special proteins are used. So, as we had discussed, these are the carrier proteins. So, the structure of carrier protein are like this. And I told you that in carrier protein, conformational changes occur. So, in the shape of carrier protein, there will be some change. For the translocation, carrier protein will change its structure, and finally, the molecule from outside transport to inside. As you can see that these are the three steps, that is step number 1, this is step number 2, this is step number 3. First of all, this shape of carrier protein is like this, and these are the molecules which have to be transported from outside to inside. Now there will be some change in this shape of this protein, so the shape will be like this, so that it can accommodate this molecule in between, and finally the molecule from outside will move towards inside. So both these steps, that is this and this, means that there is change in conformation of the carrier protein. Now we will see about channel protein. Channel protein are the integral lipoprotein which contain a pore through which ion cross from one side to another side. So this is the membrane and this is the protein channel. This is the closed state of protein channel. Now the molecules have to be transported from outside to inside. So this channel has to be open. So this channel will get open like this, and transport of molecule will be done like this. So I hope you all get this. For more videos, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you so much.